How to attract wealth and abundance, a path to prosperity. Let me share my own journey towards attracting wealth and abundance into your life, in simpler terms that inspire you to take action. First, toss aside the idea that money is the root of all evil. Money is not a villain, it's like a force of nature. It's our choices and actions that decide if it becomes a good or bad thing. Think of money as a mirror, it reflects who you are. Some folks use it to control others, while others use it to lend a hand. Money magnifies your true self. Start by loving and appreciating money. It's all about the vibes you send out. Focus on the good things that come with having more of it. A happier life, more quality time with loved ones, and the ability to help those in need. Instead of hating or envying those with wealth, try praising them for their achievements. By doing this, you're telling the universe you're open to this energy. Don't waste your energy disliking things, focus only on what you like. Attracting money is hard if you see it as evil. Understand that there's no lack of money and trillions circulates daily. Keep an open mind that some of it can come your way. Remember, money itself is 100% good, it's greed that makes it bad. Imagine if you had millions of fortunes right now. What would you do, and who would you help, and how? Tell us in the comments below and let the universe know. Don't sit on the fence about money. Either embrace it or don't. Mixed feelings can create confusion in the universal energy of the cosmos. I have some friends who consistently express negative views about money, labeling people as greedy, deeming big homes and fancy cars unnecessary. At the same time, they also dream about living in a beach house and enjoying quality time with their family. Does it seem like they're uncertain about their true desires? Have a clear understanding of your wishes and take decisive action toward them. Believe and understand that there's plenty of money to go around, and making it isn't that tough. There's no inherent evil or injustice. Believe this, and you'll open the doors to wealth and abundance. What you accept in your life will become your reality. Invite money into your life. Ignore what others say about you, it's not their business. Believe that there's a path to wealth for you, and it'll reveal itself. Take action and step out of your comfort zone. Hang out where prosperous people go. Act like them, talk like them, become one of them. Even if you can't afford a fancy meal, get a coffee at an upscale spot. You'll find wealthy people are often quite friendly. Upgrade your life, one step at a time. Understand that you deserve an upgrade, and it starts with an open mind of receiving. Money and abundance are energies. Make it a habit to notice wealth and abundance around you daily. See all the business opportunities in your area. Appreciate the variety of goods at local markets. Recognize the fruits growing on trees. Focusing on the good things activates abundance of energy. Your thoughts and emotions create your reality. Believe in scarcity, and you'll attract it. Believe in abundance, and abundance will come your way. Everything I'm sharing here is not just theory, it's my personal experience. I used to see the world as a place of scarcity and felt bitter toward those who had it good. But when I embraced the idea of richness, abundance, and prosperity, everything changed quickly. I left behind my old self and became a new person, one who dressed better, ate better, slept better, and attracted money easily. Your subconscious doesn't know how rich or poor you are, it responds to your beliefs. Believe in riches and luck, and you'll set a positive energy flow in motion. I share this with all my heart, hoping that as many people as possible can experience wealth and abundance. Imagine a world where everyone has the chance to live a wonderful life. Please show your support by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing for more inspiring, life-changing content. Until we meet again, may wealth flow abundantly into your life.